In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. Whether you're new to credit cards or just looking for a better cashback option, this card offers some attractive features you'll want to hear about. Let's start with what makes this card stand out: the unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase you make. No matter where you're shopping or how often, the cashback rate doesn't change. And the best part? There's no annual fee. That means you're not losing any of your rewards just by holding the card. You'll also get a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, followed by a variable APR between 19.99% and 29.99%, depending on your creditworthiness. This could be a great tool if you're planning a big purchase and need time to pay it off without interest piling up. Now, let's talk about the advantages. Aside from the simple and straightforward cashback rate, Capital One also makes it easy to redeem your rewards. You can get your cash back as a statement credit, check, or even use it for gift cards or Amazon purchases. There's also no expiration date on the rewards, so you don't have to worry about using them up quickly. Plus, Capital One doesn't limit your earnings, which means you can keep stacking rewards no matter how much you spend. For travelers, another bonus is the no foreign transaction fees. This can save you 2% to 3% on purchases when you're abroad compared to other cards that charge fees for using them internationally. However, this card isn't without its downsides. If you're looking for higher rewards in specific categories, like groceries or gas, other cards may offer better rates. The 1.5% cash back is competitive, but it's flat, meaning you won't earn more for specific purchases. Additionally, after the 15-month intro period, the APR can be on the higher side, so it's crucial to avoid carrying a balance if possible. Let's take a quick look at some of the card's services. The Capital One app allows you to easily track your spending, pay bills, and redeem rewards. There are also handy tools like CreditWise, which lets you monitor your credit score for free. And don't forget about their fraud coverage. Capital One provides $0 fraud liability, so you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. Now, for the costs. While there's no annual fee, remember that interest rates after the intro period can be steep. If you're someone who carries a balance, the APR could start to bite. There's also a balance transfer fee of 3%, so if you're thinking about moving your debt to this card, factor that in. Overall, the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card is an excellent choice for people who want a hassle-free cashback card with no annual fee. It's especially appealing if you don't want to juggle rotating categories and just want simple rewards on every purchase. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more credit card insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more financial tips.